Employer Nomination Scheme Visa, Subclass 186.
The Employer Nomination Scheme Subclass 186 visa is granted to the skilled workers who want to seek permanent residence in Australia.
Business owners can sponsor overseas skilled workers for full-time occupation under the Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186.
Visa holders can even bring their family for study, travel or work. This employer-sponsored visa enables non-Australians to stay and work in Australia if they are applicable for one of the below-mentioned streams.
Temporary Residence Transition Stream,
Direct Entry Stream.
Labor Agreement Stream.
Who can apply for Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186?
An individual must qualify the below requirements to apply for employer-sponsored visa in Australia.
Below 45 years of age at the time of application.
Nominated for a relevant occupation by an approved Australian employer.
Approval of nomination within 6 months before lodgement of visa.
Possess required skills for the applied position including license or registration.
Satisfy the English language, health, and character requirements.
Fulfill prerequisites of the stream you apply for.
What this visa lets you do in Australia.
The Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186 allows skilled workers to stay in Australia indefinitely.
Applicants can move to and from Australia for a span of 5 years after the visa has been granted. After that, a resident return visa is required to move back to Australia.
The visa holders can even bring their family to Australia with permissions for work, study, and travel in and out of the country.
Applicants can take advantage of Medicare, a scheme which covers healthcare expenses.
You can even apply for citizenship in Australia, depending on eligibility.
Sponsor your relatives for permanent residency if eligible.
General eligibility criteria for this visa.
Applicants are eligible to apply only when they have been nominated by the sponsoring business owner.
It is obligatory to apply for same stream and occupation, as per the nomination by the employer, failing which your application could be rejected.
File the application within 6 months of approval of nomination.
Applicants of temporary residence transition or direct entry streams must demonstrate the minimum standards of competent English.
Applicants must pass the character test. They must be safe of criminal records, immigration detention, and offensive convictions.
Applicants must possess the relevant skill for the nominated occupation. 3 years of work experience is compulsory.
What is the duration of the stay offered by Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186?
Visa holders can stay permanently in Australia.
How much would it cost to apply for this visa?
Applicants incur a cost of Australian dollars 3,670.
What is the processing time for Employer Nomination Scheme Subclass 186?
The processing time for ENS Subclass 186 varies according to the stream. Temporary Residence Transition Stream, 12 to 13 months. Direct Entry Stream, 11 to 16 months. Labor Agreement Stream, currently unavailable, due to less number of applications.
Whom can you include in your visa application?
You can include your partner, married or de facto, child, stepchild or child, stepchild of your partner. Your visa application must include verification of their relationship with you.
From where can I apply for ENS visa?
You can apply for the ENS visa when you are in or out of Australia. However, if you reside in Australia at the time of lodgement, you must possess bridging visa A, B or C or substantive visa.
Do I need to inform about changes after lodging the application?
Yes, you need to inform about the changes in the set of conditions after you have filed an application. The changes could be birth, death, marriage, divorce, separation, new address or passport.
Under which stream can I apply for the employer-sponsored visa?
Under the Temporary Residence Transition Stream, if you have worked full-time in Australia and possess Temporary Skill Shortage Subclass 482 or Temporary Work Visa Subclass 457. If you meet the requirements of TRT stream, apply for direct entry stream provided your employer sponsors you, or the labor agreement stream if your employer has engaged in a labor agreement with the division that offers a pathway for permanent residence.